But to be free from the game, in the game, you have to trash the game. Instead of wait until the game trashes you, you have to trash the game before it trashes you. You have to see its illusion. You have to see it's a dream. You have to see it's false. You have to see how outrageous is. That's the word. Outrageous. Outrageous. It's outrageous. This reality, it's outrageous. People keep painting angels with pink and blue wings, you know, and wands and magic wands and all that, and oh, how beautiful the bugs, and you see the butterflies, and etc. But it's outrageous. This reality will kill you. Will kill you. And everything you think you have amassed. So kill it. Kill it you. You kill it. How? Wake up. You are not the character. The character is your avatar. But remember where you are, sitting in that bed, or that chair, or lying in that link capsule or whatever. You're just dreaming this, and you're experiencing a phase of indulgence. You're indulging yourself with all this garbage.
This character can't wake up, because it's a character, so who's waking up?
Consciousness, the dreamer. The dreamer is dreaming. Of course the character is not dreaming, the character is dreamt, right? But who are you? That's precisely the point. Remember that you are the dreamer. So start telling you, I am the dreamer, I am the dreamer, I am the dreamer. This is all false, this is not real. Start there, you know? Because that's a message that goes against the delusion you have bought and invested in, which is this is real, this is real, this is real, I am here, I am this body. So just start with the opposite idea. Destroy this assumption. So I am the dreamer, I am the dreamer. This is illusion, this is illusion. Not only is illusion, examine it. It's weird. It's a con. It's a fraud. Examine it. It's a fraud. So that's exactly what reality is. Delirium tremens. Delirious. An hallucination. But you don't rebel. You find it normal. You find it okay. Okay, keep dreaming for another 10,000 years. Stop the world. I step down.
Feet are kind of strange.
I'm serious, you know. Just ponder how you that you are infinite. Just look into your deepest consciousness. And you will realize you can, for the God of mind, you cannot have a form, ever. You don't have a form. You are formless, infinite, purity. You are luminosity. You are boundless, unbinded. Just look deep into your consciousness. You will find just transparency, openness. When you realize that, that purity that cannot be described, that cannot be touched even, cannot be even touched, cannot be even described, because any description would taint it already. That when you realize that total expanse of freedom, of pure spirit that you are, then you see, then you realize that it's a joke that you can ever be this form, this body. It's a joke, to say the least. You know. But I'm not saying there's something wrong with creation, with this proliferation of imagination, of forms. No. There's nothing wrong with this body or that other body. No, I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is to believe that you are limited by that. To believe that you are confined by anything like that, by your own creation. That's the condition of samsara, ignorance, deep suffering.
And so you wonder where it's coming from. Why would you do that to yourself if you're an infinite
Well, you went into play and then you went a little bit far.
Yeah, okay.
You see? Oh, I am a little bit bored, let's play this game, put this cassette, this tape. And then you forgot, you were playing, you became the character, and with all the suffering, all the limitations of the game, all the challenges of the game, all the tests of the game, etc. So you have to run, you have to jump, you have to go through this bridge and the other. You have to discover the 7 keys and then open the 7 doors. All this shit, you know.
All right, I said it in motion.
So, and you forgot, basically. And you put yourself in a place of suffering.
By forgetting.
Well, by forgetting, basically, yes. By, yeah. But That's what you intended anyway. It's different angles
Yeah.
that we are talking.